Greetings guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we are looking at how to use the iRig version 3 on an EMOTICONS Morph. You start like in the last tutorial, only this time you use an EMOTICONS Morph. After that, select your skin in the Materials tab. Then you go to the Pose editor and resize the head of the EMOTICONS Morph. Alternatively, you can use the head mask in the Skin Masks folder inside the Multi-Skin menu. Looks a bit weird, doesn't it? Let's give him a new head. To do this, add a new limb in the body part editor by pressing the plus symbol at the bottom. Select the head on the right and pick the head 3D morph. You'll need to edit this one as well. In the Materials tab, go to Pick Skin in the upper right corner and press the Multi-Skin button. Now select your texture again. Next, we need to add a layer. Click on the plus symbol at the bottom and navigate to the eye masks folder as we explained in the last video. Here, you can choose between 4 different eye sizes. We'll use the one with 2 pixels. Now click on the pencil icon at the bottom and use the left mouse button to set the position of the eye sockets. When you are satisfied, click the erase box on the right and exit this menu. Alright, now we scale the head to the normal size and give it eyes. Now click on Edit and add another limb to the head in the body part editor. Select your desired eye rig and create a pose. Done. And that's it, we're finished. We wish you a lot of fun making creative videos with the Blockbuster mods. See you next time.